If you're having trouble with sound of the Reddit app, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First of all, you need to check your device volume. Ensure that your device volume is turned on and not muted. Check the volume settings on both your phone or tablet and the Reddit app. And in some cases, the Reddit app may have its own setting for the sound, so ensure that the sound is enabled within the app. On your Android or iOS, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and then go to Settings. And then check for any sound related settings if available and adjust it according to your preference. You can also check Do Not Disturb a silent mode. Make sure that your device isn't in Do Not Disturb a silent mode, as this can silence the notifications and media sounds. Some posts on Reddit may not have sound like static images or text-based posts, so make sure you're viewing content that actually includes audio, example, videos or GIFs. And check if the sound works on the other apps or websites to confirm that your device audio settings are functioning properly. You can also try restarting the Reddit app, close the app completely from your device, and then reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary bugs or glitches, and if you're using the Reddit app on your Android, you can try clearing its cache. For that, tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, then scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. This can fix issues related to corrupted data or performance problems. And you can also try reinstalling the Reddit application. If the sound issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Reddit application to resolve any potential problems within the app installation. And ensure that your Reddit app is up to date. Go to Play Store, search for Reddit application, then click on Update if it's available. And if you tried all the above method and the sound still isn't working, there may be a bug or issue specific to your device or the Reddit app. You can contact the Reddit support for further assistance or check the community forums if others are experiencing the same issue. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.